Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our 2D house plant and costing idea. Master bedroom dimension 10 feet 6 inch into 11 feet 11 inch with attached bathroom dimension 5 feet 10 inch into 8 feet 2 inch. Balcony dimension 3 feet into 12 feet 1 inch. Common bathroom dimension 5 feet 10 inch into 8 feet 2 inch. Single bedroom dimension 12 feet 6 inch into 11 feet 11 inch. Single bed 12 feet 6 inch into 11 feet 11 inch. Kitchen dimension 12 feet 1 inch into 5 feet. Dining space dimension 12 feet 1 inch into 10 feet 3 inch. Stair dimension 13 feet 9 inch into 12 feet. This is existing door. Floor plan length with 40 feet and width 25 feet. Now let's calculate the approximate construction cost. Total floor plan area 1000 square feet. Construction cost per square feet 2000 rupees. Foundation cost per square feet 400. Total foundation cost 4 lakh. Cost per floor excluded foundation 20 lakhs. Cost per floor included foundation 24 lakhs. Thank you so much for watching our video. Please like, comment and subscribe.